Okay guys, our mission today is to get a bunch of stuff and make orbs. So let's go to the stable and get Melanie because I want to get her. Now we're going to find some wood. Oh, here's some wood. Today is a tutorial on how to get more money. So yeah, you just get the stuff that you need. So you craft uncommon taming orbs. Oh, you craft taming orbs. I'm just going to lead Melanie over here because I'm gonna put her by Sundance. Because she's special. I'm gonna put her right here. I'm gonna lay her down. And I'm just gonna run over here and show you how we tame horses. So you click on them and you click on the taming worms so they're closer to you. And you do this, you get close to them, the horse, and then you tame it, and you click the sell button, and you can earn more money. See, have much more money. If you were wondering why I want to save up, I'm going to get the uncommon thing, and shut up! And I'm going, sorry for the background noise.
What is that all about?
And my sisters are bad, and I said shut up. So we're gonna click on this. And I'm trying to get the uncommon thing. I need lots more monies. And I'm going to buy this horse. Down here, this one. This one. That's the one I want, but I can't get. So that's what I'm doing my money for. So otherwise, that is the tutorial on how to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.